Here is a 2024 Thor Inception 38DA Super C at the 2024 FRVTA Florida RV Supershow in Tampa, Florida. Necessarily, I'm still waking up. But here, let's have a quick look at the exterior. Here is your house battery bay here. Here's a really large pass-through bay. And you look way in the corner there, there's your inverter. Here's your fresh water tank. Another pass-through bay. Your propane tank. And another rear bay here. This one currently looks like it has some of the holding tank boxes, but I'm not exactly sure at this point. So, let's close these up. This does have an exterior TV, which right now is locked, so we can't show you that. But if you want to look at our other Inception video, you can see what the TV looks like there. I'm pretty sure it's similar. All right, let's go inside this 38DA floor plan. You see there's some light controls here, your step motor switch, as well as your house battery disconnect. All right, you should see basically here's the basic controls here, a nice 10-inch touchscreen radio and also backup camera display.
You also have your electronic leveling system. You also have your air conditioning controls. You got a couple of drink holders, your normal 120 volt outlet. You have your parking, reverse, neutral and drive right here. And over on this side you have your speed control panels, which I find them a little awkward. I don't like them there. There is no phone connection or anything on the bar.
What actually is down here is a microphone, so there is provision for your phone.
To plug in there, yes, but you can't control it.
It's not on the steering wheel.
Right.
Not very convenient.
Yeah, so I kind of got spoiled, I guess. And then you have a little cubby here and two little teeny ones on either side for, oh, I found something. Yeah. I found some wire ties.
I don't know.
Probably when they were preparing the coach. Okay, up above me, we do have a bed.
Right, and I'm going to close it up, so let's see how easy it is to do. One shot, there you go.
All right, you're getting better at that. And it has a nice big skylight. On the colder days, you can look up and see the stars and the moon.
And you can close this giant shade so you want to shut out the sunlight so you don't overheat the front cab. See right here, there's actually a cubby up front with two cup holders on either side and two windows opposing each other there. So
over here we have a dinette booth. It does come, the coach does come equipped with shades. So
is it just day and night shades?
Yeah, it's just the one set of shades.
Just the one set of shades.
Right. You do have on the table two drink holders and a wireless charger. It actually looks kind of, oh, somebody did something to that or it's not working. I'm not sure which, but we won't mess with it. There's two drawers beneath the dinette set.
What's the other drawer like? Is that the same?
Mm-hmm, pretty much.
There you go.
They're identical.
And this booth can be made into a bed.
And it also has a couple spots to put in a baby carrier.
They're child seat anchors, right?
Yeah. Okay, over here we have a couple recliners. There are three cabinets for storage above. They are pass-through. Some people say it's one large cabinet with three doors. I'm not sure which is the correct way, so if you guys have any comments on that, let me know and I'll try to correct my wording. Okay, we do have two manual type recliners. They have two drink holders. It's got the USB ports. And it has a lovely space to store things. Well, okay, it's deeper than what I thought. Storage space there.
Yeah, you can always hide a cat in there.
You know, I actually could. I could put a blanket in there, and I bet they would sleep in there. You know, cats, they got to go into any box. Right now in our coach, a funny story, our cup holders come out, and the cats love sticking their heads down there. When they were kittens, they actually used to get under it and come up through the cup holders. So they can't do that anymore.
And speaking of the cup holders, one right here.
There's one right there. Yes, there is. Now this one just has a mirror on it, but if you come across the way, right next to the entrance door, there is a televator. And I'm going to back up for a second because I see these two doors I missed when I walked in. Are these doors or are these panels?
I think it's doors.
They're cabinets. So here's two cabinets they mix right coming in the door. So you have some fixed shelves in them, so there's some extra storage right as you come in. Okay, this one is the fixed cabinet right over the door. Okay, back to the televator. Okay, above the televator, you do have your sound bar for your TV. You do, when this is in, you actually have some good counter space. You have two drawers, or two pull-out.
Actually, two cabinets.
Two cabinets, I guess that's what you would call it. Mm-hmm.
And this,
And then
that's not relatively short, but it has an outlet here. You can plug in additional devices if you need to.
Yeah, it's basically if you want to put Blu-ray players and stuff, there are TV connections right there. And over here, your fireplace.
Mm-hmm. Electric fireplace.
Love the fireplace on these chilly mornings. Right next to the TV is your convection microwave, so you can cook. You have a hybrid system here with both the induction top stovetop as well as two burners that are gas. And next to that you have the sink area. Here goes Ben.
So it is. I always like doing this. For some reason it's kind of fun, but it just goes, there you go. Wow, see? How easy?
Yep. And right above that we do have a cabinet with an adjustable shelf for your dishes. Now down below the sink, we actually have four drawers. This one's a cheater drawer, as I call them. So these are all more normal. This one's a little bit deeper.
It's amazing how many drawers in an RV you see it pull handle and everything, and it doesn't open. So I say, why put in a pull handle at all if it can't open? Mm-hmm. You don't need it for looks.
Right below the stove to the left of those four drawers is a cabinet with an adjustable shelf. And below that there is a drawer. That's a good size for some pots and pans. On the other side of those four drawers, the right side when you're facing it, there's space under the kitchen.
Cabinet. There we go, looking back at you.
Yep. Okay. Now right next to the kitchen sink, in here is you have a lovely pantry, and it has four fixed drawers, four fixed shelves. Caught myself that time. I'm trying to do better with that, folks. I don't know why I do that. And then, of course, you have your residential refrigerator with an ice maker, water dispenser. And you see it's all taped up, so we won't mess with it. But you can see there's the ice maker in this part here, in the freezer. And then you got plenty of shelves there. Nice big refrigerator. Okay, across the way we have a half bath.
Well, before the half bath, there's the touchscreen controls.
Yep, right as you go into it.
And the entrance inverter panel.
Yes. Okay, right as you go in, you have a nice cabinet here. Fixed shelves about 3 inches deep. You have another shelf in the corner. And then you have your little medicine cabinet shelf here with fixed shelves. Now, if I were you folks, I'd probably add another shelf in there. There's plenty of room. Not hard to do, but an easy modification. You do have your sink, your towel holder, an outlet, as well as no storage here. And here's your paper holder. Plenty of room here.
This is actually fairly spacious for a half bath.
Yeah, that's
nice,
good.
Nice, comfortable room on each side.
Yeah, this works.
Some half baths are surprisingly narrow.
Okay, and this one actually has a slide door rather than a open door.
Well, I would say, isn't this like open already?
I knew you were going to say that. I knew you were going to say that. What do you call the other doors?
Well, sometimes pocket doors or...
No, this is a pocket door. No, it's not really because that's in, but what do you call a regular door that opens and shuts?
A door.
Okay, so there's a door and there's a sliding door. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
Simple enough. Okay, overhead, guys, we have either one big cabinet with 4 doors or 4 cabinets with pass-through space.
Here we go.
Okay, we have a couple lights underneath. We also have a light control switch. And we also have a tilt-up bed. It's a king size. Now there are 2 little cubbies right next to the little nightstand here. And then underneath, I don't know if Ben can get that, there are the outlets, the ports for your phones, and all that good stuff. This does have vents in the floor. Not a favorite of mine, but it is what it is. And you know, if you guys don't have animals or kids, they're probably fine. But for us, they don't work. Okay, we have a wardrobe here, along with 2 adjustable shelves. And below that, there are actually 2 drawers of the same size. Right next to that, ta-da, we have the washer and dryer. Whirlpool.
Well, in this case, washer and dryer.
Alrighty. And again, I like this. I love the TV set. The way they did this, it's just so, I mean, literally, folks, this is like the easiest thing I've opened in the Fear all day. Well, maybe except for that bottle of water. But anyway, look at the space back there. So easy to get to.
On this one.
Yeah, it has a light that goes on when you open it. So, and it's a very usable space, so I like that. This is nice. I like the way they did that. I'm very fascinated with that. Can you modify our coach? Anyway, we do have another wardrobe here. Quite big, and it's very deep. Very deep. So you can put chairs, or maybe not chairs, but you can put stuff behind it and store it. And you have a big cabinet, a big drawer below it. I'm going to get it right yet today, folks. Nice big drawer. That's about 2 feet deep, about 2 foot, maybe more than 2 foot. Yeah, probably maybe closer to 3 foot. Okay, this is the end of this full slide right here. And now we have our full bath. Although the bath's not full. It's actually a shower. Anyway, we do have our Suburban system here.
That's for controlling your tankless hot water system.
We do have a medicine cabinet. Again, I probably put another shelf in here. We have a corner cabinet. And you have another cabinet here.
We actually have 3 cabinet doors. Is that actually all the way through?
It goes all the way through. So it's either one big cabinet with 3 doors. All the way to that
wide side.
Uh-huh.
Look at that. Right there, see?
Yeah. That's what I say. So is it actually a cabinet and a half? 1 cabinet with 3 drawers?
3 drawers? You said doors or drawers?
3 doors. I might have said drawers.
I sound like drawers to me.
Doors. Okay, folks, let me know how to describe that so our future videos can get better. You know, we keep learning, and you look at this, and, you know, there's so many ways to describe it, and I guess that's good to be versatile with your language, but we do have a nice sink here with some extra counter space. We have space underneath the sink. There's your hot and cold water, in case you don't know what red and blue are. And you have 4 drawers, no 3 drawers here. The last one is an access panel, so these drawers are the same size. Your toilet paper here. Here's your egress window, in case you need to get out.
Well, that's open right now.
It is open. Wow, maybe somebody escaped yesterday.
No, basically, yeah.
Trying to get it shut, but I don't have the strength to pull it shut. Well, you want to try it? Yeah, see, I'm not. There you can get it. You got it?
I think someone must have bent it, I guess.
Maybe they were trying it out. I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, we won't mess with it anymore, but it is open, folks. So, you guys, we didn't do it. And over here, we have our shower. And it's got a couple shelves in there for your shampoo and such. It's got a nice slide door. And as you see, I can fit in it just fine. A little tight on the shoulders, but we're good.
Okay, well, now let's see what a big guy is like inside here. Climbing in, for me, it's extremely tight. I mean, I'm basically elbow to elbow here. Height-wise, it stores for points for being height. And actually, this is one of the few oxygenous nozzles I've seen that is on that level. So it's good points for that, except, of course, for this DHT bar. So this shower is a 9 out of 10. I have spoken. It has the shower miser, hot water conservation system, as well as 2 heads of cattle, towel holders. And you see, that's one reason I don't like the DHT bar, is I don't feel like being scalped every time I get out of the shower. And you tall guys, leave a comment below and tell me what you think of the DHT bar, or what you would call it if you have a shower with a bar like that in your coach or house. But thank you for watching, folks. We just appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. We love hearing from you. Let us know what we can do better in the next RV walkthrough. And always remember to open the doors to adventure.
And start all your journeys with
the RV Keys. Have a great day, folks.